What is the business model canvas? If you've ever wondered how successful startups are built, the answer often starts with a business model canvas. This simple, one-page tool helps you map out the key aspects of your business, from your value proposition to your customer segments and revenue streams. The business model canvas is your startup's blueprint. It's a way to get all your ideas down on paper so you can see what you're building and how it fits together. How to use the business model canvas. Using the business model canvas is straightforward. It's designed to be easy for anyone to understand and use. You break down your business into 9 key areas. Customer segments. Who are your target customers? What problems do they have? Value proposition. What makes your product unique? How does it solve your customers' problems? Channels. How will you reach your customers? Think about both marketing and distribution. Customer relationships. How do you interact with your customers? Is it automated or personal? Revenue streams. How will you make money? Is it through direct sales, subscriptions, or something else? Key resources. What do you need to create and deliver your product or service? Key activities. What are the critical tasks you must do to keep your business running? Key partnerships. Who do you need to work with to make your business succeed? Cost structure. What will it cost to operate your business? Where can you save? By filling out these sections, you get a complete picture of your business idea. It's like an X-ray into your startup's soul, letting you see where you're strong and where you need to improve. Why more people should be using it. Planning a startup is hard. You have 1,000 things to consider, and it's easy to get lost in the weeds. The business model canvas cuts through the noise. It forces you to focus on the essentials, which is what you need at the beginning. You don't have to spend days or weeks on complicated business plans. With the canvas, you can sketch out your business in minutes, giving you clarity and direction. This is where Quick MVP comes in. With Quick MVP, you can create, share, and update your business model canvas with just a few clicks. You can easily send it to your co-founders via email or generate a link to share with investors or mentors. Plus, you can upload CSV files from popular providers to keep track of key metrics and KPIs. It's business planning made easy. Why should you use Quick MVP for your business model canvas? If you're building a startup, time is your most precious resource. Quick MVP lets you create business models quickly so you can get back to focusing on your core product. With its intuitive design, you can map out your startup's direction without getting bogged down in complex software. And because it's designed for entrepreneurs, it speaks your language. Using Quick MVP, you can turn your business model canvas into a living document. Update it as you learn more about your customers, refine your product, or pivot your business model. The canvas is flexible, just like you need to be. At this stage, think of yourself as a speedboat, not a shipping container. You can make quick turns and change direction fast. The business model canvas is the map that keeps you on course, and Quick MVP is the tool that makes it easy.